दोस्तों वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. You guys already know what we are about to do. We are gonna watch Yohani's Merry Christmas Baby official music video. I have no idea what this is about. I have no idea what she is saying in this song, but as you guys are recommending a lot for this, like I got even I personally counted like 150 of them. That's what I personally counted, 150 of the total people who are recommending me this song. So I was like, god damn, what is this all about? And as always, Yohani hai, so I want to see this. I have to see this, right? Because of the Yohani. So anyways, whatever it is, एंड उसके बाद कर देंगे इसका रिव्यू, थोड़ा बहुत करेंगे इसकी योहानी की बात, वीडियो के बीच बीच में अपना ओपिनियन दूंगा एंड लेट्स सी क्या होता है. सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. ब्लू स्पून कैफे, नाइस. बट शी इज सो प्रिटी. I love black coffee, by the way. Yohani, if you are watching this, we can have a coffee sometime.
I'll break down.
Okay, the song is in English. Nice. I like it. Yohani की वॉइस उस तरीके से डिजाइंड है ना, इट डजंट सीम लाइक कि योहानी हिंदी गाने बेटर गाती है. आईड से दैट हिंदी गाने तो गाती है, ऑब्वियसली शी सिंग्स वेरी वेल हिंदी सॉन्ग्स, बट आई मोस्टली थिंक दैट शी हैज द वॉइस ऑफ दैट इंटरनेशनल लेवल, like the people who sings the English songs. That's what I think. That's my opinion. It's like she sings obviously Sinhala language, great. Hindi, excellent. And like English songs, she's mastering that. Oh boy.
Every year, when this time comes around, I already know how it looks like in town. Merry Christmas, baby. You don't come home.
Bruh, I'm getting fucking goosebumps just by that pickup. You know that pickup when she was going smooth and suddenly the beat drops and she was like, Merry Christmas, baby. And damn boy, I don't know if you can see this or not, but I am getting fucking goosebumps on that. Holy shit.
Merry Christmas, darling. Watch me from above.
Okay. Now I'm getting this song. Okay.
I turn down a date. Oh dear. And I wish some snow could heal my sorrow. Unsteady this month, my heart, and it prays for a smile. Merry Christmas, baby.
Did you notice that thing that I always talk about, her voice, that एक level, certain level पे जाने के बाद she just drops it and
You don't come home.
Is it over? Okay, bruh. Let's talk about the song. The song is like about a girl, I guess. Let me just give me my opinion. Let me know in the comment section if I am wrong. Listening this song, what I thought, what I considered about this, that a girl is singing about her lover, that maybe lover is no more yet, and that's why she was saying that watch me from above, I just dropped a date for you and all that. I don't know, I'm not sure, but if I'll talk about the song only, let's just get beside of the concept and the meaning of this song. Let's just go into the feel of the music, the beats and the voice, the lyrics. Let's talk about. As usual, she is great in that. Like I said, I love her that tone, she goes like this and just drop that tone suddenly, and I just love that thing. Lyrics, that sinking and the maturity of the lyrics is like the ultimate choice of words, the ultimate choice of lyrics, and the way music is designed in this song. It was like when you read the lyrics, when you understand the lyrics, it's just when it just goes into your mind and creates a picture, right? It creates a fucking reel, creates a movie inside your mind. That's how it works, right? And then somehow you get attached to the beats that were used in this video, and that's how I got fucking goosebumps, because it was like totally unbreakable and totally matchable with each other. It was like this music was only made for this lyrics only. You can't use this music in anything else. Matlab, you can use it if you want. There is no like red and fast rule. There's nothing like that. But that's my opinion, that it's better not to use this music to somewhere else. It's perfect in this, right? It suits perfect. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Channel पर नया हो तो channel को subscribe करके जाना. And if you like poetry, storytelling, if you love reading or listening stories like thrillers, murder mysteries, adventures, so you can check out my Instagram page. You will find my Instagram's link in my description below. And if you want to know about my personal life, my fitness related things, my acting, modeling related things, then you can also check out my Instagram profile with the same link, obviously. So that is up for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one.